Find the volume cut off from the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square by the cylinder x square plus y square equal to x. We want to find the volume cut from the sphere. The required volume is easily found by changing to the cylinder coordinates p, theta, z. We have x is equal to rho cos theta, y is equal to rho sin theta, z is equal to z. We know Jacobian equation is equal to dou x y z by dou p theta z is equal to rho. Then the equation of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square is rho cos square theta plus rho sin square theta plus z square is equal to a square. Rho square cos square theta plus rho square sin square theta plus z is equal to a square. Commonly we will remove rho square into cos square theta plus sin square theta plus z square is equal to a square. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, we can write p rho square plus z square is equal to a square. They gives the cylinder x square plus y square is equal to ax is rho cos square theta whole square plus rho sin square theta whole square is equal to a rho cos theta. Rho square will commonly, therefore cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to a rho cos theta. Rho square is equal to 1 is equal to a rho cos theta, cancels square in rho. Rho is equal to a cos theta. Hence the required volume is equal to 2 integral 0 to pi integral 0 to a cos theta integral root a square into a square minus rho square rho dz d rho d theta. Know that 2 integral 0 to pi integral 0 to a cos theta. Then we substitute in these values rho z into 0 to root a square minus rho square d rho into d theta. Then we get 2 integral 0 to pi integral 0 to a cos theta rho root a square minus s rho square d rho d theta. Therefore, this is root a square minus rho square is written as a square minus rho square whole power 1 by 2. We can take this root into the side. Then we get integral root a square minus rho square into 1 by 2. We know that the formula, we know that x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Therefore, we can write 2 integral 0 to pi minus 1 by 3 into a square minus rho square whole power 3 by 2 into 0 to a cos theta d theta. 2 we want to remove 2 a cube by 3 outside. Then with 0 to integral 0 to pi 1 minus sin cube theta into d theta. Then we get 2, we want substitute this 0 to pi in this value, in this 2a cube by 9 into 3 pi minus 4 cubic units. Find the volume of the solid bounded by the spherical surface x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 4a square and the cylinder x square plus y square minus 2az is equal to 0. Cylindrical coordinates x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, z is equal to z. The equation of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 4a square. If we want to substitute this x, y, z in this, then we get r square cos theta plus r square sin square plus z square is equal to 4a square. We want to remove r square outside. We know that sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, we get r square plus z square is equal to 4a square. They given the cylinder, then x square plus y square minus 2ay is equal to 0. Then we get x square plus y square is equal to, we take this that side, then we get 2ay. R square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta is equal to 2a. Y value we know that r sin theta. R square is equal to 2a r sin theta. R is equal to 2a sin theta. The required volume volume is equal to triple integral dx dy dz, triple integral r d theta dr dz. Then 4, we want to substitute this here. 4 into integral 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 2a sin theta, 0 to root 4a square minus r square, r into dz dr d theta. Then we get 4 integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to 2a sin theta, r is equal to root 4a square minus r square dr d theta. Then 4 integral 0 to pi, 0 to integral 0 to 2a sin theta, minus 1 by 3. We know we take this root this side, then we get a square minus r square in whole power 1 by 2. We know that integral x power n is equal to x power n plus 1. Then apply here r, and then we get 1 by 3 4a square minus r square whole power 3 by 2, 0 to 2a sin d theta. Then we get 4 by 3 integral 0 to pi by 2, 4a square minus 4a square sin square theta whole power 3 by 2 plus 8a cube 3 d theta. Then we get 4 by 3 integral 0 to pi by 2, then minus a cube cos cube theta plus a cube theta d theta. 4 by 3 into 8a cube, we want to remove 8a cube outside, then we get at 4 by 3 8a cube integral 0 to pi by 2 into 1 minus cos cube theta d theta. We substitute this in here, we get 32a cube by 3 into pi minus 2 by 3 cubic units. Evaluate integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to 4 minus x square, integral 0 to 8 2yz dz dy dx by changing into cylindrical polar coordinates. Let know I is equal to integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to 4 minus x square, integral 0 to 8 2yz dz dy dx. Here z is equal to 0, z is equal to 8, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to root 4 by x square plus y square is equal to 4. We know x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. To change into cylindrical coordinates, put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, z is equal to z. Here r varies from 0 to 2. Here theta varies from 0 to pi by 2, z varies from 0 to 8. I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to 8 2r sin theta z dr d theta. Then we want to separate these values. Integral 0 to pi sin theta d theta, integral 0 to 2 2r square dr, and integral 0 to 8 z dz into minus cos theta. Then we substitute these here. Minus cos theta 0 to pi by 2, 2 into r cube by 3, 0 to 2, z square by 2 into 0 to 8. Then we get 1 into 8 by 3 into 64. Then we can then we get 5 112 by 3 cubic units.